It's a 2019 Honda Odyssey. With its utility, stylish comfort, and desire for adventure, the Odyssey is everyone's happy place. It's well equipped with the features you need: Wi-Fi hotspot, front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, integrated navigation system with voice activation, auto-dimming rearview mirror, entertainment system with Blu-ray and digital media, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, V6 engine, hands-free liftgate, front and rear parking sensors, and automatic transmission. Kelley Blue Book states in everyday driving, the Odyssey suspension absorbs bumps and road imperfections for a very comfortable ride, yet the settings are not so soft as to induce unwanted body roll in the turns. Honda's created some of the most admired vehicles on the planet. The time is now. See it for yourself today.
Experience the difference at Rochester Mazda, where you get our best price. Bottom line, we are conveniently located at 2955 48th Street Northwest in Rochester, Minnesota.